Alright, so we're somewhere where we left off. Okay, so what I did was I removed the chip. Is that in focus? I removed the little chip, and then we have the macro size regular SanDisk card adapter that it goes in, and as long as that works, we can put it into this with the Microsoft Surface. There's this adapter. Most laptops will have it built in. This one doesn't, because it's very slim and portable, so it doesn't have it built in. Interesting. I'm having trouble sliding it in because it was just in the other day. Maybe it's upside down. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, so now it opens it up. Okay, it opens up at SDHC5. That's the SD. I forgot what the HC stands for. Okay, so you go to the DCIM, and then you should have your photos that you've taken. Okay, as you can see, those are the photos that I've taken, movies I've taken. That's really not good. Well, that's not the best movie. It's not the best movie there. How do I use this Microsoft thing? I hate this Microsoft stuff. And so it'll be upside down and it'll be recording. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. By the way, move is something you can select in the software. Remember, this is the heat sink. These metal pieces here. So you leave focus as I showed you. Okay. Here we go. Keep this lens as clean as possible. That's the truth. Right, so, you know, it does not have a focusing lens. You can manually focus as I showed you, but that requires taking those two screws out. That looks pretty good to me. And taking it apart like I showed you. And then using that hex key that it comes with. And I've got some nice gold coins here to looks pretty good to me. Analyze and see if the biggest test will be in the car at the 30-foot and beyond range. Captured correctly. The infinity range. With that setting. Otherwise I'll have to go back in and modify it. Unfortunate that all these videos were upside down like that. It's really my fault. I apologize for that. There's no excuse. Let's see, we've got an MP4 file. That's interesting. Recording. Oh, okay. That must have been the or at least if you select the blue flashing one. Anyway. See. Try to get it. Let's see. I'm gonna try to pause. See, when you pause, you have to pause it at the right time. Try to get There's software that can do that for you, but. And then when you. Come on, play. And it'll record. Okay, so you got coins. Try to get an idea of. Alright. And then when you. Never mind. Okay, so let's see. We've got other files here. Let's take this one out. Hit the top button. That's not it. Okay, I'm looking for a larger one. 164. How about 50? No. Nothing
on
really.
autopilot now.
Nothing really there. Sorry about that. This is the longest one.
I want to see if this focusing lens. You can manually focus as I showed you, but that requires taking those two screws out and then taking it apart like I showed you, and then using that hex key that it comes with. And I've got some nice gold coins here to analyze and see whether they will be captured correctly with that.
Okay, so I've brightened the screen.
You can manually focus.
That should make it very much more visible.
It does not.
And what I want to do is, I want to.
You can manually focus as I showed you. That requires taking those two screws out.
I want to make it so that you can see.
Taking it apart like I showed you, and then using that hex key that it comes with. And I've got some nice gold coins here to analyze and see if.
Let me see if that lighting looks right.
Whether they will be captured correctly with that setting. Otherwise I'll have to go back in and modify it.
Okay.